Hey guys, it's Katie.
And Naomi.
And Naomi, otherwise known as
Omi.
Welcome to our first ever video together as Katie and Omi. And what are we going to be doing for our first video?
We are going to be making slime.
Slime. Okay. So we have a... What kind of slime kit is this?
Fire and ice.
Fire and ice. Do you want to be fire or ice?
I'm ice.
You're going to be ice? Alright, so I'm fire. Alrighty. Let's see what we have. Do you want to take it out? See what our contents are?
A bowl.
A bowl. One for me. Oh, like one for you, one for me.
Instructions.
Instructions.
Activator, the glitter, and other stuff. I don't know what all that is.
Our measuring tools.
Yeah, that too.
Alright, let's see what we need. I'm assuming this one's fire.
And this one's ice.
How come I got two and you got one?
I think yours.
I guess because yours is already clear and mine got to be like fire.
Yeah.
Alright, directions for making slime. Measure 15 mils of clear glue.
Okay, this is this.
Is that the clear glue?
Yeah,
Yep, that's the slime
glue.
activator. So here's your measuring cup. So find 15 mils. Do you see it? 15?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to pour 15 mils in that. There you go. So 15 mils. She's going to be very precise on this, I think. Think you got it?
I'm at 15
You're at 15? Okay, so you pour yours in your bowl and have a popsicle stick. Scrape it out using the popsicle stick. And then I'll fill up mine, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you get all that glue, so scrape the balls really good. So take your stick and scoop around the balls. There you go. Cool. Alright, and I'll get mine. What's your favorite kind of slime?
Butter.
Butter slime? Have to do that one. So we have our glue. What's next? Measure 25 mils of water, room temperature, pour into the same bowl. Okay,
Do you want to go get that?
Yeah, I'll go get that. Okay, and I got mine. Alright.
I don't know what this is supposed to do.
I'm a little bit phony.
Mine was too. I think it's supposed to like combine the glue, but I really don't know. What's the spoon for?
No idea, actually. So, it says, make it fun, choose your slime. So fire slime, add half the bag of red glitter to the bowl with glowing water. Ice slime, add half the bag of opal glitter to the bowl with glowing water.
Opal?
I guess that's what that is.
Okay, I'll leave that in there.
Hmm.
Oh, these are lids.
I guess we'll put our slime in here when we're done.
Uh,
Now, I'm sure there has to be a little part here to where we can open this. You know what?
I'll go get the scissors.
I want mine really fiery, so I'm going to add the full pack.
I'm gonna add...
Hopefully it don't ruin my slime.
I got scissors.
Thank you. Here you go.
Yeah. I guess activator is last.
I'll start with half a bag-ish.
Ish, yeah.
And see how it goes.
Okay. I'm just gonna cut the top, not too much.
Okay. I'm getting fiery.
Oh, I'm gonna put it over my slime because there's lacing. I'm gonna use the spoon actually. Maybe that's what the spoon is for. Okay. I'm gonna just lay that in there.
So we need 5 mils of slime activator each.
Look at this.
Cool.
I'm just using a spoon right now.
So it says you should always use popsicle sticks to stir your slime because I guess it doesn't clump it.
Oh, I love this. And now I'll use this.
So
Why is yours turning like that?
I don't know. So 5 mils of activator.
I'm adding all of this.
Okay.
Mine's
I'm gonna try mine first. It said to add a little bit of activator at a time. Let's see.
Oh, mine looks really like ice. We're gonna have to show our slimes after this now.
Mm-hmm. I can't really see all that foam.
Here,
It's blocking.
I can see it.
Right at the very bottom. You want to fill some up for me? A little bit more?
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. So slowly add the activator.
Look
So-
at this.
oh look, mine's thickening.
Yeah, that means it's turning. When you're done with that, can I?
Oh.
Mine's just like water.
Oh yeah, I definitely need a little bit more. Okay. That's all my 5 mils. Did you add your own? Did it measure?
No.
Okay, you can measure yours. Mine's kind of like really rubbery. I don't know if I added too much activator or not. Do you guys see this? How rubbery it's gone?
Yeah, I got my hands.
Maybe when I mix it with my hands it'll be better.
Maybe. Oh, mine's turning now.
Is it?
I only added a little drop and it's starting to turn.
Okay, I think mine might soon be ready to come on my hands. I'm not sure.
Mine feels weird.
Oh, I think I need a little tiny bit more activator. It's still just a
Oh my
little
god.
bit sticky.
Look.
Whoa. Yours is way better than mine.
Mine's stretchy.
Yeah, I think that little extra bit of activator helped only. It made it right.
Oh, my hands are
Slimy
sticking
again.
to it. And I just glue my stick.
I just want to get it to where it's not sticking to my hands. Look. Look at mine.
Oh my god, mine's
Just
so
look. Oh. It's getting bitter. It's getting there, guys.
Mine's rubbery.
Yours is rubbery.
Oh, I need more activator.
I'm glad this is not green slime. Because it would look like boogers. And I don't like boogers. Do you like boogers? No. I don't think anybody likes boogers. Maybe we should ask our viewers what kind of slime they want us to make next.
Okay.
Alright, so guys, we're asking you what kind of slime you want us to make next. Whatever kind
And
of
it may be because you didn't add enough glue. It may be because of that.
That could be too. I never thought about that, only.
Mine just squirted itself all over me. I don't think I added enough glue.
Okay, let me feel.
Because mine's slimy as anything.
Oh, okay. It's not sticking to me. Let me
Look!
oh my lord.
Okay.
I'm a slime newbie. Like I said, I've made slime before, but not much.
That should be good. So what are my stick? Okay. I just added more glue. I think mine's gonna end up breaking the popsicle stick.
I really don't know if it's the activator or if it's glue I need to add.
I don't know. We should make one again later and see what the problem is.
Oh, it feels better though with more activator.
Mine's super sticky.
And actually, the longer your slime sits, the better it will be. So
I know, that's what happens when you add color in the clear slime.
Look at this.
Hi guys, the camera shut off.
Yeah, the camera did shut off, but we fixed it and we're back. Okay, so let's see, where was it?
Okay, mine's still wobbly as anything.
So is mine.
No, like look. Mine's all stringy and weird.
Yeah, we need some slime help. We need slime professionals.
Maybe the viewers can tell it.
Yeah, if you
What
guys have made slime
Yeah.
before,
Tell us
where we went wrong and what we did
Yeah.
wrong.
your guys' favorite slime. Comment down below. Ooh. Ooh, mine's turning actually.
Okay.
Maybe yours just needed more glue or activator or
Yeah, I
something.
think I'm gonna try adding just a little bit more activator.
I'm gonna try adding a little more glue.
I have like a big rubbery bit in it. Yeah, so something definitely went wrong with us making our slime.
Honestly, it could be where we're not mixing it with our hands or something.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is why I normally coat my hands when we're making fluffy slime in shaving cream.
Yep.
Oh, mine's turning out.
Mine's not.
You didn't play
I
with
don't know, what do you
mine.
think? Do you think this is a fail or win?
Pretty good.
Pretty good for you?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna clean my hand and then I'll test out yours.
Okay, and I'll mix yours for a bit.
See if you can get mine to come back to life.
There you go.
See if you can fix it. Let's see.
Okay, for one, you got way too much activator.
Oh, is that the problem? Oh yeah, like look, I can play with yours and it's not sticking to me like mine was. Yeah, yours is really good and the more I play with it, the better it's turning out. Only saves the day. Mine's probably gotten a bit rubbery and stringy though, but
It's kind of sticky.
look, yours is like a snowball.
Oh, don't put that near me.
My hair is up because I'm not getting slime in my hair. Omi, well, she don't really need to worry. Just a little bit out in front, but I think we're good. So yeah, guys, we have a poll on our Facebook page right now asking if you want us to do the makeup challenge or the real food versus gummy food. So far, the makeup challenge is winning. Omi's not fussy on getting her makeup done, so maybe you could help her out and do the real food versus gummy food. Although she's not looking forward to getting her makeup done, I think she's excited to do
Comment
my makeup however she wants.
On Facebook or whatever, comment down below or whatnot what I should do to Katie.
Alright, I think yours is a success. Did you manage to salvage mine even a bit? Let me see.
Here you go. I was gonna have lead in it now. Pretty good.
Ooh! Oh, at least I can play with it in my hands now.
Do not a bit more glue if you wanna. Anyway.
Alright, ready? Let's stretch them out and show our viewers.
Mine has red glitter in it now. Oh wait, I don't have all of mine.
Okay, hold on. Now I gotta get this good. Alright. Ready?
Oh god, I got mine on the table.
Ready? Slow and steady. Okay, obviously yours has more stretch to it than I do.
Mine's dripping.
And I think that's it for us for today for making our slime video. So make sure you hit subscribe, like our Facebook page.
And make sure you turn on that bell.
Yeah, turn on the bell for notifications. That's a good one.
Yeah.
So bye and have a wonderful day.